Hello, viewers. Today I'm going to tell you how you can mirror your Android mobile screen to your PC or laptop. You can also control your mobile screen from your laptop or PC. First, you need to go to any browser and search for VYSOR. Then, click on the VYSOR download to download VYSOR and install it. After installing VYSOR, now open it up. Let me guide you on how to connect your Android. You can connect your mobile using a USB cable. For this, you need to turn on USB debugging on your mobile. Go to your mobile settings, scroll up, and you'll see About Phone. Click on it. Scroll up again, you'll see Build Number. Tap on it 5 times. Go back, click on System, scroll up, click on Developer Options, scroll up, tap on USB debugging. Now connect USB cable to your phone. Now you'll get a notification on your PC. Tap on it. Your mobile is now mirrored. From here, you can adjust volume, toggle audio, turn the screen on or off. In the paid version, you get HD quality display and wireless connectivity.